Hello.
Me and Alistair are gonna feed the baby.
Say hello.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. There's the baby.
Huh?
And the baby is fully aware of what is going to happen.
Open
So
it.
we'll do is we'll put the camera there. And we'll get lunch.
Hello.
Watch it, look. Ruby. Go sit over there on the chair. Go look at the...
And this is what the baby's going to eat. Not Alistair.
Come on, look at it.
Okay, so let's see what...
Look. Look at the baby. Almost.
Oh, the baby missed. So we're going to try it again. Ooh. The baby dick.
What happened?
You got it. Go stand on the chair.
Okay, so there's the baby's lunch. Now let's get Andy something to eat. Want to see?
Go stand right here.
Okay, so
I'll hold you. Come here.
this is Andy's. Uh-oh. Andy is...
Leave the baby back.
Andy, get off. They both want it. We have to get Andy off.
Oh, shit. Don't touch it.